Today, we're diving into one of the most classical and respected openings in chess, the Ruy Lopez, also known as the Spanish opening. Whether you're white looking to build pressure or black trying to defend, this opening will show up again and again at all levels. The Ruy Lopez starts with e4, e5, knight f3, knight c6, and bishop b5. White's bishop attacks the knight that defends the center pawn. It's a fight for control of the board right from the start. Black usually plays pawn a6, asking the bishop, "Are you staying or retreating?" After bishop a4, we see knight f6, then white castles. From here, black has choices. Go for solid development, or dive into tactical lines. The closed Ruy Lopez continues. Rook e1, b5, bishop b3, d6, c3, castles, then h3. White prepares d4, grabs space, and keeps the bishop pair. Here are some strategic ideas for this position. For white, you can aim to build a center with c3 and d4. For black, you can counter with rook e8, bishop f8, then knight a5. In the open Ruy Lopez, black plays knight takes on e4, capturing the pawn early. White usually continues d4, b5, bishop b3, d5, and now both sides need to know tactics. This line is sharper, more tactical, and often played at higher levels. What if white captures the knight right away with the bishop? That's the exchange variation, a favorite of Bobby Fischer. After pawn captures on c6, white plans to target black's pawn structure and head for an endgame advantage. The key idea here is to isolate pawns for black on the queen side. Those were the major lines for the Spanish opening, but there are also some sidelines you should know. Knight f6 is the Berlin defense, also known as the Berlin Wall. d6 is the Steinitz defense, a bit more passive. And f5, the risky Schliemann defense for rapid development. The Ruy Lopez is flexible, powerful, and packed with ideas for both sides. Learn it well, and you'll understand chess at a much deeper level. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives with Chetorials. See you in the next one.